This 2026 Jayco Swift Ram ProMaster 3520T is a Class B RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front kitchen, rear bath. This 2026 Jayco Swift Ram ProMaster 3520T and is powered by a 3.6 LV6 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.